What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com, and let me explain why. As soon as I get home today, I think I'm gonna unbind my Mavic 3 Pro. So you know that the Mavic 4 is now out in most countries except in the US. But I have no plans of getting it. But I want to sell my Mavic 3 Pro because basically I just don't fly enough. And since I don't fly, what's the point of having all that money in a drone and not use it? But I do use my mirrorless cameras, and I have the Nikon Z6ii and the Z30, and I would like to upgrade to either the Z6iii or the Z5ii, and then go to the Z5ii. So I was on eBay this morning looking at the Mavic 3. I thought I would maybe sell it for like $1,700, but I see people on there selling it. Not even the Flymore combo, but they're selling the regular one with the one battery for like $2,000. And I was like, oh, why can I sell myself short? And if I spend $2,000, or if I sell it for $2,000, right now the Z6iii is on sale for $2,096. And if you buy a refurb from Nikon, at least of right now, it's May 21st, 2025. What am I saying? The Z6iii on Nikon's refurb site, you can get it for $1,800. Well, I doubt I can sell my Mavic 3 that fast, but that's the options. But I can also get the Nikon Z5ii, and that one I think is for sale for I want to say 16 to 1800, something like that. And I just need the bodies. I don't need lenses. I just need the bodies. So my idea is sell the Mavic 3 Pro with the case, and because I don't have the box anymore, of course. So with the case and all the accessories that came with it, sell that for like $2,000, and maybe get a Z6iii. Even, but since I'm not so video heavy anyway, like I'm not recording in log, maybe I can also go with the, maybe it's better if I go with the Z5ii, because the Z5ii is supposed to be better in low light as far as photos go. And where you see me sitting right here is where I take a lot of my pictures at night. So yeah, so maybe I'm thinking about the Z5ii also. So once I get those, I'm thinking, all right, boom, I got the Z5ii or the Z6iii. Then I can move on and selling my Z6ii and my Z30, and possibly get the Z5ii, because I love my Z30. I have it with me right now. I take it most of the time everywhere I go. See the Z30, but it doesn't have a viewfinder, and I miss, when I'm taking pictures, I really miss using a viewfinder. Z52, they call it the mini Z6iii. So if I can get that, then I'll trade in my Z6ii, which I can probably sell for like $800. The Z30, probably get it ready for $500. The Z52 is retail for about $900 or in change, probably like just rounded off to like $1,000, body only. So that should leave me with a little bit of change. And you may wonder, so I get rid of the Mavic 3, what drone am I going to replace it with? I don't necessarily need another drone, but I really want to do FPV. And the beta one that I have, beta FPV Cetus Pro, is cool and all, but I'm thinking maybe I could just switch to the Neo. The Neo is $200, but then you gotta get the goggles, and then you gotta get the controller. I don't want the joystick thing. I don't want the joystick thing. I want the actual radio controller. That'll be perfect for me. And all those those things cost about like $200 each, or $200+ each. So that's gonna come up to like $700 probably after taxes and everything. Or I already have the beta, since I already have the beta FPV goggles and the beta FPV controller, I can just get the Aquila 16, and I can learn how to fly with that. Because like I said, the beta C6ii Pro is cool, but I think I banged it up too much, and the props and the ducts aren't fitting as well. And so it flies, but it's not great. Plus the Aquila gets close to 8 minutes of flight time, while the beta C6ii Pro, you get like 2 or 3 minutes per flight. Even though I got like, I think 15 batteries, 16 batteries for that, it's probably easier just to have Aquila and get the 8 minutes. So what do you think about that? Do you think I have a nice timeline or path line to get these stuff? So it goes from Mavic 3 to Z6iii or Z5ii, and then from there get rid of the Z6ii and the Z30 to get a Z52, and from the Z52 I can get an FPV, or the DJI FPV, well, it's not really fully FPV, the Neo, or I can get the C6ii, Aquila 16. Yeah, how'd that sound? What do you think? Let me know. All the links will be below for all the things that I'm thinking about. They're affiliate links. All the items that I'm thinking about getting or exchanging, I'll put the links right down below in the comments. So, salute. I'm out. Hope you have a great day. And yeah, bye Mavic 3 Pro. It was lovely. And let me end this while the ambulance goes by. Woo! Brooklyn salute.